Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cassandra. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different from my norm. I'm going to be recreating some nails that I've seen on Instagram from the artist Shenseea. If you're not too familiar with Shenseea, I would definitely suggest for you to check her out. She is literally one of the hottest dancehall artists out there, and she's Jamaican, so you already know automatically I love her. So about a month or two ago, I did notice that she was wearing these gorgeous long leopard nails, and I said, why not try doing them myself? So I thought it would be a perfect video idea. So for the most part, I do find that this video is pretty straightforward, so I probably won't be talking much, but continue to watch and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I was going to list out all of the nail polishes that I use, but unfortunately I don't remember all of them, and some of them don't actually have names. For some reason, Dollar Tree nail polishes don't have names. I don't know. But if I do remember, I most definitely will leave it in the description below. So achieving the leopard look is pretty simple if you don't have shaky hands. Unfortunately, my hands are super shaky, so sometimes it is a little bit harder for me. But realistically, because you're doing it by freehand, it doesn't really make a difference, so knock yourself out. And there we have it, my rendition of a press-on version of Shenseea's long leopard nails. I really like how they came out. And if you know me, you know that I'm not a huge fan of press-ons, but when I do wear them, I love to use the nail adhesive tabs. I bought these from Amazon and I'll definitely leave the link below. And that's a wrap. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of these nails. And do you have any other suggestions of any other nails I should recreate? Let me know in the comments below. Bye!